Hi beauties, welcome back. Cosrx Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner. As someone who battles occasional breakouts, dullness, and a lackluster complexion, finding the right skincare product can feel like a never-ending quest. However, the Cosrx Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner has become an essential ally in my skincare routine. This lightweight yet nutrient-dense toner has truly been a game-changer for me. With its essence-like consistency, it swiftly absorbs into my skin, delivering a potent blend of antibacterial and antioxidant benefits. The star ingredients, including 72.6% black bee propolis extract and 10% honey extract, work in harmony to nourish, repair, and revive my skin. One of the standout features of this toner is its ability to keep my skin glowing and smooth over time. Propolis, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, not only enhances my skin's immunity, but also aids in recovery from breakouts and strengthens my skin barrier. I particularly appreciate how hydrating and moisturizing this toner is, especially during those dreaded times of the month when my skin tends to be more prone to breakouts. Despite its serum-like consistency, it effortlessly integrates into my skincare routine, complementing other products seamlessly. While I don't solely rely on this toner to address my acne or brighten dark spots, I recognize its significant role in achieving healthier, more radiant skin. Plus, a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective and sustainable option. Overall, the Cosrx Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner has earned its permanent place in my skincare arsenal. It's a versatile powerhouse that consistently delivers results, leaving my skin smoother, more radiant, and positively glowing.